holiday season, everyone needs this luxurious lip set that pops with color and shine. In this festive limited edition packaging, you get 5 beautiful shades that can easily take you to a casual day out, makeup ready in minutes for work, to a stunning lip look to fit any holiday occasion. This formula, Clinique Pop Lip Color and Primer, delivers a modern velvet finish and it glides on effortlessly and wears comfortably for 8 hours with its built-in smoothing primer. Included in the Plenty of Pop lip set are the shades Mocha Pop, Berry Pop, Cherry Pop, Nude Pop, and Bear Pop. Now to instantly brighten my smile, I'll be using the Berry Pop shade to show you my favorite tip for lipstick application.
Get the lip shape you want with the perfect Cupid's bow. Start by drawing an X as a guideline. This extra step at the start will make the rest of the application a lot easier.
So make gift giving easy this season with this luxurious lip set valued at $97, and you can have this for only $25.